How to redo in Adobe Acrobat. You've been working on PDF and made a change, then hit undo a bit quickly and wish you could bring that change right back. Maybe you deleted some text then realized you didn't actually need it, or you moved the image, undid it. But oh what? Putting it back was the right call after all. That's where redo comes in handy. It's basically reverses your last undo. So how we can redo something in Adobe Acrobat? Let's explore. Now, I haven't edited anything in this PDF right now. So let's do edit this one. Maybe I want to highlight it, then onto it, and now you may think that you can't do anything. So to redo it, simply go to this arrow right over here, and that is a redo icon. Simply tap on it and tada, you have redo the action. See, it was super easy. It saves you from having to manually recreate whatever you just undid. So that was it. It's a real time saver. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.